Hi Pixelers, grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw Eeyore, one of the characters from Winnie the Pooh. For this drawing we'll need colored pencils black, gray, light blue, pink, light orange. This drawing is 29 squares tall by 29 squares wide. We'll start by skipping 10 squares from left to right. In the squares number 11, we're going to mark 2 horizontally with black. Below and to the left, 2 horizontally. To the right, 10 horizontally. From this square, skip 3 squares to the right and mark 1. From this square down, mark 8 horizontally. At the height of the first squares, down 2 vertically. At the height of the square above, to the left 2 horizontally. From this square down, 2 horizontally. At the height of the first square, down 1. From this square to the right, 9 horizontally. Below and to the right 1. To the left 2 horizontally. From this square down 1. From this square, skip 1 square to the right and mark 5 horizontally. At the height of the first square, down 1. Skip 2 squares to the right and mark 2 horizontally. From this square down and to the left, 2 diagonally. Down and to the left, 9 vertically. Down and to the left, 2 vertically. Down and to the left, 2 vertically. Down and to the left, 6 vertically. Down and to the left, 2 vertically. Down and to the left, 1. Up and to the left, 1. Up and to the left 9 vertically. Up and to the right 2 vertically. Up and to the right 2 vertically. Up and to the right again 2 vertically. Once more up and to the right 2 vertically. Up and to the right 2 diagonally. From this square, skip 2 squares down and mark 1. Up and to the right 3 horizontally. Skip 3 squares to the right and mark 3 horizontally. Down and to the right 1. From this square, skip 2 squares to the right and mark 3 horizontally. On the line above, mark these 3 horizontally. On this line, count 2 squares from left to right and above mark 1. From this square, skip 3 squares to the right and mark 3 horizontally. On the line above, mark these 3 horizontally. On this line, count 2 squares from left to right and above mark 1. From this square, skip 3 squares down and mark 1. Down and to the right 2 diagonally. Down and to the right 3 horizontally. Down and to the right 7 horizontally. Up and to the right 3 horizontally. Up and to the right 3 diagonally. From this square, down and to the right 1. Down and to the right 9 vertically. Down and to the right 2 vertically. Down and to the right 2 vertically. Down and to the right 6 vertically. Down and to the right 2 vertically. Down and to the right 1. Up and to the right 1. Up and to the right 9 vertically. Up and to the left 2 vertically. Up and to the left 2 vertically. Again, up and to the left 2 vertically. Up and to the left 2 vertically. Up and to the left 2 diagonally. From this square, skip 4 squares up and mark 2 vertically. From these squares, also skip 4 up and mark 2 vertically. And now it's time to color in all the squares we marked. If you're new to the channel, or if you've been here for a while but still aren't part of the Pixelados Club, what are you waiting for? It's super easy! You just have to subscribe and activate the notification bell and you're set! Let's now take the gray color. From this square to the left, we're going to mark this entire line vertically, which totals 22 squares. And color it in. We continue with the light blue color. From this square to the left, 2 horizontally. At the height of the first square, up 3 vertically. Up to the right 1. Up to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 1. Down to the right 5 vertically. At the height of the square below, to the left 6 horizontally. From this square down 2 horizontally. From this square to the right 2 horizontally. At the height of this square, up 3 vertically. Up and to the left 1. Up and to the left 2 horizontally. Down and to the left 1. Down and to the left 5 vertically. at the height of the square below, to the right 6 horizontally. On the line below, we're going to mark these 2 horizontally. Here, 3 vertically. On the left line, we're going to mark these 3 vertically. Again, up the left line, 3 vertically. On the left line again, 3 vertically. On the left line again, 3 vertically. On the left line, now we're going to mark this 9 vertically. Down and to the right one. Here 3 vertically. On the right line, we're going to mark these 3 vertically. Again, on the right line, mark these 3 vertically. On the right line, these 3 vertically. On the right line, these 3 vertically. On the right line, now we're going to mark these 9 vertically. Down and to the left one. Now let's outline this part of the gray area. And we're going to color in all the squares we marked and also these areas. Now let's take the pink color and outline the following areas of the ears. And color them in. Next, with the light orange color, we're also going to outline these areas. And color them in. And here's our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. It's really helped the channel a lot. And also, I want you to comment if you have a favorite chapter from Winnie the Pooh. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in a new video. Sending you a big kiss, a giant hug, full of lots and lots of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!